The peritoneum is essentially one big sac which envelopes most of the abdominal organs. There are, however, a few which are located behind or posterior to the peritoneum. These are the retroperitoneal organs. Our mnemonic to remember the retroperitoneal organs is SAD-PUCKER. S for the suprarenal glands, also known as the adrenals. A for the aorta and the IVC. D for duodenum, specifically only the second, third, and fourth parts, because the first part of the duodenum is intraperitoneal. P for pancreas, specifically the head and the body. The tail of the pancreas is intraperitoneal. U for ureters. C for colon, specifically the ascending and descending colons. K for the kidneys. E for the esophagus. And R for the rectum. Again, our retroperitoneal organs are suprarenal glands, the aorta and the IVC, the duodenum, the pancreas, the ureters, the colon, the kidneys, the esophagus, and the rectum.